Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are given in yellow color while answers are in white color. Can you think of reasons why more complex organisms cannot give rise to new individuals through regeneration? Regeneration is carried out by specialized cells. These cells proliferate and make large numbers of cells. From this mass of cells, different cells undergo changes to become various cell types and tissues. So regeneration is not the same as reproduction. In many multicellular, more complex organisms, those specialized cells that carry out regeneration is absent. The whole tail of wall lizard or gecko can regenerate, but a small finger of our body will not regenerate. Why vegetative propagation is practiced for growing some types of plants? Plants raised by vegetative propagation can bear flowers and fruits earlier than those produced from seeds. Such methods also make possible the propagation of plants such as banana, orange, rose and jasmine that have lost the capacity to produce seeds. Another advantage of vegetative propagation is that all plants produced are genetically similar enough to the parent plant to have all its characteristics. Write the types of asexual reproduction in amoeba: Plasmodium, Leishmania, Spirogyra, Planaria, Hydra, banana plant, Bryophyllum, Rhizopus. In organisms such as amoeba, the splitting of the two cells during division can take place in any plane. It is called binary fission. Plasmodium divide into many daughter cells simultaneously by multiple fission. Plasmodium vivax, not the most lethal of the human malaria parasites, it is the most common one. In Leishmania, binary fission occurs in a definite orientation in relation to the whip-like structure at one end of the cell. Spirogyra simply breaks up into smaller pieces upon maturation. These pieces or fragments grow into new individuals. It's called fragmentation. Simple animals like Hydra and Planaria can be cut into any number of pieces, and each piece grows into a complete organism. This is known as regeneration. In Hydra, a bud develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell division at one specific site. These buds develop into tiny individuals and, when fully mature, detach from the parent body and become new independent individuals. And Hydra can be cut into any number of pieces, and each piece can grow into a complete organism by regeneration. Plants such as banana, orange, rose and jasmine that have lost the capacity to produce seeds, they reproduce by vegetative propagation. Banana has ginger-like underground stem for propagation. Buds produced in the notches along the leaf margin of Bryophyllum fall on the soil and develop into new plants. The tiny blob on a stick structures on thread-like hyphae of Rhizopus are involved in reproduction. The blobs are sporangia, which contain cells or spores that can eventually develop into new Rhizopus individuals. The spores are covered by thick walls that protect them until they come into contact with another moist surface and can begin to grow. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email given below. The question answers of this chapter 8, how do organisms reproduce, will be continued in the next video.